Hello students, we are starting first chapter of 12th accountancy, which is NPO. NPO. What do you mean by NPO? N means known or not for. P means profit. O means organization. In 11th class, we studied about profit organization. Then, what is the meaning of profit organization? Those organizations which providing goods and services for earning profit is known as profit organization. Those organizations which provides goods and services for earning profit is known as profit organizations. वो बिजनेस, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो गुड्स और सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, किस लिए? प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए, उनको हम बोलते हैं प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एज वी कैन से दैट these are business organization. इनको हम कैसे कह सकते हैं? ये कौन है? बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्यों? बिजनेस का मतलब क्या होता है? गुड्स और सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाना, लेकिन किसके पर्पज में? प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए. इसलिए हम इनको क्या बोलेंगे? प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एग्जाम्पल कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? फर्स्ट, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप बिजनेस. सेकंड, पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस. हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली बिजनेस. कंपनीज. These are business organizations because their motive is to earn profit by providing goods and services. Now we are going to study about non-profit organization. Non-profit organization या not for profit organization. It means those organizations which providing services at free of cost or at a nominal charges for social welfare is known as NPO. Those organizations which provides services at free of cost or at a nominal charges, या तो बिल्कुल फ्रीली या कुछ पैसे लेकर के, छोटे अमाउंट में पैसे लेकर के सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. क्यों? बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड्स सोशल वेलफेयर. बिकॉज it providing social welfare. That's why these organizations are known as non-profit organization. Example, कौन कौन सी होती है नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? हॉस्पिटल्स, एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, हॉस्पिटल्स, एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, लाइब्रेरी, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट, etc. These are known as non-profit organization because their motive is to provide service. Their motive is to provide service for social welfare, not to earn profit. That's why these organizations are known as non-profit organization. It means profit organizations are those organizations which providing goods and services for earning the profit is known as profit organizations. That's why we are calling him, we can say that these organizations are business organization. Such as कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप बिजनेस, पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस, हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली कंपनीज. These are known as profit organization. And NPO means those organizations which providing services. सर्विस ये भी प्रोवाइड करवा रही है, गुड्स भी प्रोवाइड करवा रही है, लेकिन जो इसका मोटिव होता है वो क्या है? प्रॉफिट कमाना. लेकिन ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रोवाइड करवा रही है और एट ए नॉमिनल चार्जेस. किस पे? नॉमिनल चार्जेस पे. लेकिन किस पर्पज के लिए? इसका जो पर्पज है वो है सोशल वेलफेयर. That's why these organizations are known as non-profit organization. Examples like hospitals, education society in which schools, sports club, library, charitable trust, these are NPOs because these are providing services. Hospital, these are providing medical facilities, providing medicines, operations, etc. at a nominal charges or at a free of cost. Like as schools, they providing us education at a free of cost or at a nominal charges because these are non-profit organization. Now we will compare the non-profit organization or profit organization. That's why we are discussing difference between non-profit organization and profit organization. पर्पज, इनका मकसद क्या होता है? किनका? एनपीओ का, नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का और प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का. नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड्स सर्विसेज फॉर सोशल वेलफेयर, प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज for social welfare. Profit organization providing goods and services, providing goods and services for earning profit। भाई इनका मकसद होता है सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाना सोशल वेलफेयर के लिए। इनका मकसद होता है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को प्रोवाइड करना प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए। ये किस किस रूप में हो सकती हैं? फॉर्म्स, ये हो सकती है हॉस्पिटल्स, वेदर गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट, बोथ हॉस्पिटल्स वेदर गवर्नमेंट या प्राइवेट, these hospitals are called non-profit organization, charitable trust, library, education society, schools, whether they are government schools या private schools, both are known as non-profit organization because their motive is to provide service, not earning the profit। भाई ये तो हो गए हमारे एनपीओ के फॉर्म, किस किस रूप में हो सकते हैं या किन किन को हम एनपीओ बोलते हैं। ये किस किस रूप में हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप बिजनेस, सेकंड पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस, थर्ड वन हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली बिजनेस, फोर्थ कंपनीज। तो हम कह सकते हैं प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कौन कौन से होते हैं? सारे के सारे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को हम प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कह सकते हैं। थर्ड वन इज अकाउंट। Accounts, as we know that whether these are NPOs organization, not profit organization या profit organization, both organizations should have to maintain their accounts to record their transactions। In 11th class we studied that profit organization make 3 accounts। What are those? First, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, कब सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप बिजनेस है तब, एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, कब? व्हेन पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस है तब। एंड थर्ड वन इज बैलेंस शीट। In profit organization, 3 accounts have been prepared in 11th class. What are those? Trading account, profit and loss account when business is sole proprietorship business. Otherwise, in partnership business, one more account is prepared, that is profit and loss appropriation account. And last one is balance sheet. In this NPO, we have to make 3 accounts. What are those? First, receipts and payments account. Second one, income and expenditure account. And third one, balance sheet. Okay, now we have prepared the account in both the organization, whether that are non-profit organization या profit organization. After preparing accounts, what results should we have to know? What results we will calculate? या हमें क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा इन अकाउंट बनाने से। हमें पता है इन 11th क्लास वी स्टडीड दैट आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट वी नो ग्रोस प्रॉफिट, ग्रोस लॉस, which is transferred to profit and loss profit and loss account. From profit and loss account we calculate net profit या net loss. Whether there is partnership business, then net profit and net loss will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. It will shows divisible profit or divisible loss. In NPO, after preparing income and expenditure account, we will know surplus or deficiency. Surplus means like as profit, but in NPO we will not call profit, we will say it is surplus. Like as loss also should be known as deficiency. In NPO प्रॉफिट को हम क्या बोलेंगे, सरप्लस, लॉस को हम क्या बोलेंगे, डेफिशिएंसी। और प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट से हमें क्या पता चलता है, नेट प्रॉफिट या नेट लॉस। अगर पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस है तो नेट प्रॉफिट नेट लॉस को हम पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करते हैं, तब उससे हमें क्या पता चलता है, डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट या डिविजिबल लॉस। एंड लास्ट वन इज प्रॉफिट। In profit organization, all the profit is distributed between the partners. But in NPO, not distributed amongst the partner. प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस होगा वो पार्टनर्स के बीच में बट जाता है, लेकिन नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो सरप्लस या डेफिशिएंसी होगी वो पार्टनर्स के बीच में नहीं बांटी जाती। In last, we are revising what we have studied in this video. NPO. NPO means non-profit organization. What is profit organization? Those organizations which providing goods and services for earning profit is known as profit organization. As we can say that business organization. These are business organization like as sole proprietorship business, partnership business, Hindu undivided family business, companies. These are known as profit organization. What do you mean by non-profit organization? Yeah, not for profit organization. Those organizations which providing services at free of cost or at a nominal charges. किस लिए? For providing service. For providing service for their social welfare. सोशल वेलफेयर के लिए सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाती है कौन? नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, या तो बिल्कुल फ्री या एट ए नॉमिनल चार्जेस। एग्जाम्पल हॉस्पिटल्स, एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, वेदर स्कूल्स इन विच बोथ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स या प्राइवेट स्कूल्स, स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, लाइब्रेरी, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट एटसेट्रा। दीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस provide services for their social welfare. Now, difference between non-profit organization and profit organization. Purpose. Non-profit organization purpose is providing services for social welfare. and profit organization providing goods and services for earning profit. Firms, hospitals, charitable trust, library, education societies, schools, etc. These are NPOs. Profit organization, sole proprietorship business, partnership business, Sindhu undivided family business, companies. These are known as profit organizations. Both organization, whether these are NPOs or profit organization, both organizations should have maintained their accounts. What are those? In NPOs, receipts and payment account is prepared, income and expenditure account is prepared, and balance sheet is prepared. In profit organization, trading account is prepared, profit and loss account is prepared, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared when business is partnership business, and last one is balance sheet. After preparing the accounts, we find out result. In NPO, we will get surplus or deficit. Profit is known as surplus and loss is known as deficiency in non-profit organization. In profit organization, after preparing profit and loss account when sole proprietorship business, then we will get net profit या net loss. When partnership business is there, we will get divisible profit or divisible loss. After that, divisible profit, whether net profit, these are distributed amongst the partners in profit organization. But in non-profit organization, we do not distribute